Vehicles that earn our Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus awards are head of the class for safety. None of the small pickup trucks that we recently tested earn either of our awards. 4 of the 8 pickup trucks fell short of a good rating in our front small overlap crash test. They all have poor headlights, and none of them is available with automatic emergency braking. Front small overlap crash test is the most challenging test we do. It represents what happens when a car runs off the road and clips a pole or a tree, or clips an oncoming vehicle that has crossed the center line. The Toyota Tacoma Double Cab was the top performer in the front small overlap crash test. The driver space was maintained well, so the safety belts and airbags could do their job to keep the forces low on the driver. The Tacoma Double Cab is the only vehicle in this group to earn a good rating for structural performance. The Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon crew cabs earned good ratings in the front small overlap crash test. General Motors made changes beginning of the 2017 model year. They reinforced the A-pillar, the door hinge pillar, and the door sill to improve occupant protection in front small overlap crashes. The extended cab versions of the Colorado and Canyon didn't perform quite so well. They earned acceptable ratings in the front small overlap crash test. There is more intrusion in the driver footwell than in the crew cab versions. The worst performers in this group are the Nissan Frontier King Cab and Frontier Crew Cab. They both earned marginal ratings in our front small overlap crash test. The footrest was pushed nearly 17 inches toward the driver in the test of this crew cab and 14 inches in the test of the King Cab. A real person in a similar crash likely would have suffered serious injuries of the legs and left foot. Crashworthiness is essential, but advanced technologies like front crash prevention also improve safety. Only Colorado and Canyon are available with an optional forward collision warning, and none of the pickup trucks is available with automatic emergency braking.
The track is ready, you can begin your run.
Headlights are a dim spot for these small pickup trucks. None are available with anything but a poor rated headlight. We started testing headlights last year to try to encourage automakers to provide better nighttime visibility and reduce glare for oncoming drivers. Headlights are basic but vital safety equipment. Drivers shouldn't have to give up the ability to see the road at night when they choose a small pickup truck.